friends, God bless you and welcome. On today's video, I just want to say this real quick. Guys, I opened up my condenser and my buffalo napkins fell out. So I decided to use my lantern today. I just move it around, and when I get through, I'll put it back on the condenser. So guys, sometimes God just drop creative ideas right in your lap. So thank you so much for watching. Friends, I'm going to use my lantern today. When I get through, I'll put it back on my condenser. And this is a small clip of me putting together, and I will leave the icon above. And if you want to watch how I put that together and you haven't seen it, I would love for you to watch it. And if you're new, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button, like my channel, and please do leave a comment. Thank y'all so much for stopping in on our Tablescape Tuesdays. Friends, I am going to show you how I am going to decorate my tablescape on today, and I am going to use my lantern today with the buffalo on top, the ribbon. And guys, I'm telling you, I'm going to do a 2-table setting, but I'm just showing you one part I've done, and I want to show you how I put that together. Now, I'm telling you, really, this just dropped in my head at the last minute. God is just so amazing. I opened up the condenser and the napkins fell out. I'm like, oh, I can do this. I can do this because I have that buffalo. And sometimes you can use the same things, but just use a little different and just to make things different. So I hope you enjoyed this on today. And I want to thank Miss Anna from the Grace Life DIY channel and Miss Courtney for Anthony's Adventure for putting this all together. Friends, I really just used some of the things I had on last week's Tablescape. And this is, once again, from Hobby Lobby, my fall collection. So I decided to reuse this again, but just give it a little different twist to it. Now, this is the buffalo napkins. I had these a couple of years or so, and they have the word bless on it. All I did was fold this with my table mats on the side, and I'm telling you, it just gives it a different twist to it. These are my beautiful gold and white chargers. I had these for a little while. I ordered these online. I can't remember the company's name that I got those from. So since I have some gold and some white on the table with the lantern, the owl is white, and that gold flowers, it will work. But this is my beautiful black plates, and they're round, and I felt that the black plates will work perfect for this than any square plates. So the black plates are the ones I'm going to use. And once again, using what I already have, this beautiful, they're heavy marble plates that's black and white. And friends, all I did was just add the same napkin I had on one of my Tablescape. I add that in there and add the gold silverware this time. And mainly, guys, that's just it. And I had this blessed sign to match those napkins. So guys, tell me what you think of this. Friends, when you decorate, sometimes it's just the littlest thing you can change that can make the whole lot of different. So find those patterns, those napkins, the cloth napkins with different patterns. You can dress it up on your table however you like. It's your style. Do your style. So I hope y'all enjoyed this. And this is the final look. Thank you so much, friends, for watching on today. And if you are new, please do subscribe, like, and leave a comment. And those that are faithful, thank you so much. Thank you so much for leaving comments and likes. I hope y'all have a blessed, prosperous day. God bless you and love me from Penny. And I have left you some more videos in my end screen. Please watch another video.